Hello, I'm Mike Kinderleiter with PowerWash.com. Today I want to share a quick tip with you about getting started for your season. So if you had your machine in storage, had it winterized, sometimes it doesn't always work out right and something still breaks on it when you go to start it back up. One of those things could be the water filter on it. There's usually a glass housing or plastic housing on it, and when that water freezes, it breaks the molding on it. So it's going to suck air or it's going to leak water when the water flows through it. That happens on your portal machine. On trailer setups, you usually have a bowl on it with a filter. This bowl on the bottom could crack, or this housing up here could crack, just depending on how it's laying on the trailer. Again, that's going to cause a vibration when you pull the trigger because it's drawing air, or it's going to leak water and it's going to be very obvious. So if you're having one of those issues, just check these two items out. Give us a call at PowerWash.com. We're here to help you out. I hope you have a great start to your season.
When I grow up, I want to be a power washer just like my daddy.